I have few new products from Blue Heaven which I purchased. I have their concealer, I have their blush, I have their lip stain, and these are very affordable. That's the reason I'm really excited to try them out. This is Blue Heaven's eraser pen. This is what it looks like. I will say I do not love a packaging like this when it comes to concealers. You have to push the product from here or you will get the product. Let's see, blend this out first. This is not full coverage. It is of course buildable. I can see that it contains a sheer to medium kind of a coverage. Love how it blends. It looks very flawless under my eyes. This one is a lip and cheek tint product. Wow, the color looks beautiful. Let's see. Ooh, this is pigmented. Oh my god, this is wow, this is beautiful. This is the lip stain. Oh wow, that's cute. Overall, I really loved all their products because of the price is so affordable. My personal favorite, it will be the blush. I also love these two as well.